Looking for a convenient and efficient way to transport your belongings? The folding wagon is the perfect solution. Its foldable design allows for easy storage, while its sturdy construction can hold up to 150 pounds. Plus, the wagon's adjustable handle and durable wheels make it easy to maneuver on any terrain. Sekey Folding Wagon Cart. This folding wagon is perfect for families and outdoor enthusiasts, with its large carrying capacity and adjustable handle. It can carry up to 265 pounds and has sturdy all-terrain wheels, making it easy to transport on any surface. It also has a UV blocking canopy for sunny days and a foldable design for easy storage. Timber Ridge Folding Camping Wagon/Cart. This folding wagon is perfect for camping and outdoor activities, with its durable construction and large carrying capacity. It can hold up to 150 pounds of items and has a sturdy frame and all-terrain wheels. Its adjustable handle and easy-to-fold design make it convenient to use and store. Navatiee Wagon Garden Folding Utility Shopping Cart. This folding wagon is perfect for gardening and shopping, with its sturdy frame and large carrying capacity. It has 4 all-terrain wheels and an adjustable handle, making it easy to move around. Plus, its foldable design allows for easy storage. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Folding Wagon. This folding wagon is a great choice for families with kids, as it can be used as a wagon, bench, or table. Its durable fabric and seatbelts make it safe for children, while its large wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to pull. It also has a UV blocking canopy for sunny days. Mack Sports Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. This folding wagon is perfect for outdoor activities, such as camping, picnics, and beach trips. It has a sturdy frame and can carry up to 150 pounds of items, while its adjustable handle and all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver on any surface. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to store and transport.